Have you ever wondered why some people seem effortlessly likable? What is it about them that draws others in? Today, we're going to explore how to make people like you using psychology-backed strategies that can help you build better relationships and social connections. Let's dive in.
1. The power of first impressions.
Research shows that people form first impressions within milliseconds of meeting someone. The halo effect, a cognitive bias, suggests that if we make a good first impression, people will assume other positive traits about us. How can you use this to your advantage? Make eye contact to show attentiveness. Smile genuinely, as studies suggest it increases trust and likability.
2. Mirror and match body language.
Mirroring is a subconscious behavior where people mimic the body language of someone they like or admire. Psychologists have found that subtly matching someone's gestures, tone, and posture can increase rapport and create a sense of connection. Nod when they nod. Use a similar speech rhythm. Match their energy level while maintaining authenticity.
3. The power of listening and asking questions.
Studies show that people who listen actively and ask thoughtful questions are more likable. The Ben Franklin effect suggests that when you ask someone for a favor or opinion, they subconsciously start to like you more. Show interest by asking open-ended questions. Reflect on what they say to show understanding. Avoid interrupting and make them feel valued.
4. Use the similarity attraction effect.
We naturally gravitate towards people who share similar interests, values, and experiences. Psychologists call this the similarity attraction effect. How can you use this to your advantage? Find common ground in conversations. Express shared values and interests. Use we statements to create a sense of belonging.
5. Give genuine and compliment.
People love to feel appreciated. The key is to give genuine compliments. According to psychological studies, when someone receives a compliment, their brain releases dopamine, making them feel good. Focus on their effort, not just their appearance. Be specific and sincere. Compliment their personality or actions rather than generic traits. Being real makes people feel comfortable around you. The pratfall effect suggests that people who show minor imperfections are often more likable than those who appear perfect. Share a relatable struggle or funny mistake. Show your human side without oversharing. Be confident but humble.
6. Use people names.
Dale Carnegie famously said, "A person's name is the sweetest sound in any language." Science backs this up. Hearing one's own name activates a unique response in the brain, making them feel acknowledged. Make an effort to remember names. Use their name naturally in conversation. Pair their name with a positive remark for extra impact.
7. Develop positive and open attitude.
A positive attitude is contagious. Research on emotional contagion shows that people mirror the emotions of those around them. This means if you radiate positivity, others will feel good in your presence. Keep conversations light and uplifting. Use humor appropriately. Avoid complaining excessively.
8. Give people sense of importance.
People enjoy feeling valued. Psychologists say that when someone feels important, they naturally develop positive associations with the person, making them feel that way. Express appreciation for their contributions. Make them feel heard and understood. Acknowledge their strengths. Trust is a major factor in likability. Studies show that people are drawn to those who are consistent and dependable. If people know they can rely on you, they'll naturally like and respect you. Follow through on promises. Be dependable and show up when you say you will. Stay true to your values and words. Making people like you isn't about manipulation. It's about creating genuine connections. By applying these psychology-backed strategies, you'll naturally attract positive relationships into your life.
No need for a daily supplement when you have got this channel. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.